Hello, I am Forrest McClure and this is my CS50 final project. Import spreadsheets, analyze data, and output results to a PDF. The spreadsheet to be imported consists of about 200 workouts and 2,000 exercises. To account for the varying data types within columns, I used Panda's read Excel function and its converters option to import columns as strings. In addition, I converted variable types, removed exercises, created new variables, and identified problematic records. In part 2 of this report, I used matplotlib to create a histogram of workout duration, and a split butterfly chart was used to show the change in the composition of exercises. 4 exercises were chosen for further analysis. A date-based scatter plot shows bench press reps on 9 different bar weights, each distinguished by a marker color and shape. In this 3D jump rope histogram, the number of consecutive jumps is shown on the x-axis, workout dates on the y-axis, and the z-axis shows for each x value the number of times I jumped that many in a row. A scatter plot was used to track the caloric burn on an elliptical. Body weight was also tracked, and it was compared with the elliptical calorie burn. Stats models was used to run a regression on body weight in MATLAB to show the results. The CrossFit 22-3 is a compound exercise that consists of 3 rounds of 3 skills: pull-ups, jump rope, and thrusters. The set columns 1, 2, and 3 represent 3 rounds, and the corresponding rows show the number of reps performed for the specific skills. I defined CrossFit class that had properties for individual and event information and methods to create dictionaries and return data frames. This is a grouped bar chart that displays for each round the CrossFit target and workout reps for each skill. A single-page PDF of CrossFit results will demonstrate the third part of this project. The FPDF2 module can create a PDF with text and images, as well as multiple column text boxes and tables. Tables can be programmatically designed and at runtime include data in a variety of formats. This concludes my final video presentation, and thank you, David Malan, CS50, and the support staff. This has been a very rewarding class. I only regret that I didn't get to incorporate emojis until now.